Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to create your course with um, GoGlobal Academy. Alright, how to create your online course with GoGlobal Academy. So what you want to do is, if you are not registered, so you have to register. So when you register, send an email to info@goglobal.ng in case you want to become a course instructor. Okay, and then after that will make you a course instructor or a teacher. So you just log in. So when you want to log in, so I'm just going to use an email, sholamatthew@gmail.com, and then I will log in. All right, so just log in like that as a course instructor. Basically this account is a course instructor already, so that is why the person will be able to log in to publish his or her um, course. Okay, so we're still waiting for it to finish logging in. So I'm just gonna pause this while I wait for it to finish logging in. Okay, but that took a whole lot of time, but it's fine. So what you want to do is, when you come here, there are two types of profile. We have this where you have your profile. This profile here is for your course, that is as a student, right? As a student, that is your profile as a student, including even as a course instructor. So this is my profile, and any course you publish here is going to show here, right, under this place. For this particular account, the value key does not have any course as as a owner. So, but this is a course I purchased. So if you purchase any course, it's also going to show under this place, right? If you purchase any course, it's going to show under this place. So I can access my course here. I can see passing grade is 80%, and I'm 0% in progress. But then that is it. So what you want to do is, if you want to create your course, okay, you go to this place and you click on this Go Global Academy, and you just click on this dashboard, or you just click on this Go Global Academy. So when you click on that Go Global Academy, so you go to LearnPress. Okay, when you go to LearnPress, you're going to see courses. So you click on courses. So when you click on courses, as you can see here, there is no course attached to this account. So what you want to do is you click on add new. So here is where you put the title of your course. Okay, this is where you put the title of your course. So let's say you want to create how to let's call it the cake creation class. Cake creation class. Okay, you don't let's assume, just assume that this is the course you want to create. Okay, or let me even name this uh, cake creation class. Okay, fine, cake creation class. Okay, so this is where you put the description of your course. So let's say cake creation class, and you copy, is a course on its own. Okay, so let's assume that that is that. So now what you want to do is, this is a place where you set up the duration of your course. So is it a 1 week course? Is it 2 weeks? Is it an hour course? So you come here, let's say it is just 90 minutes duration. Okay, so you just say 90 minutes. Okay, then how many students can you take in this course at a time? You put them in there, or else just leave it there like that. Then students enroll, how many students have taken this course? So if the course, if like maybe you have taken the course somewhere else before you bring it to this platform, let us know how many students already have taken the course, so that it will show there. So let me just put 203. In case there's nobody that have taken the course, just leave it empty. Okay, so right, so is it a featured course or not? So you can put it there, but just leave it. Okay, leave this place empty, leave it, then choose the duration again. So this one will be displayed during information, so we'll say 90 minutes, right? So if you prefer to use hours, you can use it there. So is what skill level, so you can say beginner or advanced or all level. So this one is all level, and then just leave the other ones empty like that. Okay, so you can uncheck this if you don't want people to comment on this particular page. I always like it uncheck. Okay, so now after you're done with that, you can come to pricing. Okay, this is where you put the course price. So let's say your cost is 2,500. Don't put any comma because it's not going to take it. So, all right, then this place, let's say it is 2,500, or let's say it is 2,500, but you want the people to enroll for 1,000, maybe for a particular date. You can schedule it, but if you want it to just be there without expiry date, just leave it like this. But if you want to schedule it, let's say you want to make it for you want people to be able to take it in just 3 days, so you can put the date there. Then you can put, of course, the time that you want it to expire. Then the end date, let's say the end date, you can go to this, let's say the end date is 1st of September, right? So that's that. Next thing is, okay, let's leave it like that. Review log. Then this one is, if you enable this one, it will tell the student you choose when exactly you want the course to be dropping for the students. That is for the student to be able to have access to it. But for now, you can just leave this, right? But if you want to do that, like I said, you can do the specific time and date that you want the course to roll out to the students. So open the course item sequentially. That is, they have to open one before they open one. Then if you need them to go over a particular course before they can come to this, so maybe this one is an advanced, so they have to take the basic course first, you can choose this. Otherwise, just leave this empty. All right, now one of the most important thing to do, okay, we've done that, is this is where you now put your course. So excuse me, so this is where you put your course. So let's say this is the curriculum, so you say course introduction to cake. All right, so you just click on enter, just tap enter on your computer. All right, so that is created. That's the first curriculum, right? So let's say that you also want to create, this is now where you put the lesson. So this is a module, right? This is a module, why this is lesson in one module. So for example, if this is basically like you are writing a book, so the first chapter of that book is introduction to cake, right? So under the introduction to cake, under the first chapter, so you now have, maybe you are talking about my story, what you will learn in this book, putting them into section. That is basically the way it is. So you just come here, this is where you now put the lesson. Why, let's say, why take this course? Okay, so this is where the video will be. So you just click on enter, right? If you click on enter, it automatically creates it. So you can create another lesson here. All right, so why take this course? All right, so let's leave it like that. So if you want to add another curriculum, all you need to do is just say bake with me, maybe bake with me. So you enter again. So you say it will be arranged sequentially. All right, so you can then add other ones under this one. Okay, so now after this course is created here, so what you want to do is come here and choose, if as you are looking at this eye, it says turn off this item preview. So you can on this as, for example, maybe somebody wants to buy this course and the person wants to know what you have to offer. So the person might want to check the preview of the course. So if you want it, you can just leave this place like this, right? Before it was actually on check, but if you leave it like this with the eye opened, it means that people will be able to see this course even without enrolling, so that they can know what is in the course. Especially for the introduction of the course, you can do things like that if you want. So let's leave this one as closed, and then you click on edit. So it's going to open in another tab, right? So this, right, when you click on edit, it opens in another tab. So why take this course? This is a lesson where you are going to post the video of that course. So what you want to do here is, let's say you go to YouTube, cake baking video, right? Excuse me. Okay, so what we want to do is to just click on video. Now you must have created your own cake, right? You must have created your own video and uploaded it on YouTube for you to use this feature. And if you are uploading your course to YouTube, I mean, make sure that it is unlisted, okay? So as you can see this, so I'm just going to pause this. Make sure that it is unlisted so that the people who are not enrolled to this course will not go and search it on YouTube, okay? So but make sure that your course is unlisted. So when you're uploading to YouTube, you'll see public, private, unlisted. Put it to unlisted, not private. If you put it to private, people might not be able to watch it, all right? But put it to unlisted so that you can be able to upload the course there. So what you want to do right now is you can click on this share, and then you click on copy. So I'm just going to go to either you can also copy the URL here, okay, this YouTube URL. But like I said, if you click on share, it's preferable. So come here, and then all you needed to do is to just paste this here, right? So this this WordPress, that is the GoGlobal Academy, will automatically pull out that course video for you. So you can, if you want to type something, maybe you have talked about some materials, you can put them down here and say, so you can say cake, spoon, magic brush, everything that you need to put. So you can come here and change this to, let's say, heading or header 2. Then you can bold it, right? You can see. So you can then come here to, if you like, then put it, if you want to number or you want it to be like this. So either way, you can just put that there, all right? So these are the materials, and this is what is in the video. So all you need to do, then if you like, you can put the course duration here. Otherwise, leave it at 0 to disable that, all right? You can just leave it. So this one, if you want, if this is a preview lesson, the student can view this lesson without taking the course. Can you see? So if you want it to be a preview lesson, you can choose that. Then if you want to allow comment, you can allow comment. Otherwise, just uncheck that there, all right? So when you're done with creating this lesson, this is a lesson, right? And this lesson is already assigned, so you just click on update. But if you want to preview it, you can just click on preview, and it's gonna preview here, all right? So we are previewing the course. Let's see the way the course looks like. So it says 404 error. Please, we can't find your page. Please go home. Okay, it's fine. Let's just update it. Okay, let us update the course. All right. So view lesson. Let us see the way the lesson would look like. Open in another tab. Let's see the way it will look like. All right. They might tell you that you have to enroll in this course before you can see it. Okay. So it's actually not showing anything right now. Okay. So let me just cancel that, but then let's see preview changes too and see. Let's just look at the way it looks like. Okay. All right. So it's actually not showing, but it's fine. the course has been created. Okay, the course has been created. This is the lesson that has been created, and this is the lesson. So it's probably not, because it might not be published right now, because you have to submit the lesson for preview to GoGlobal. So let us go back to our course. So you've already created this particular course. So here is where you put the course tag. So let's say you want to say cake, cake, right? Or baking. You can put all of those tags here. Then here is where you choose the category of the course. So choose a category here, right? For now, you can only choose a category that we've already created at GoGlobal, all right? So you can choose a category. So let's say, because your category is not here, you can just put online business for now. Okay, choose a category online business, and then you put set featured image. So this is where you now upload an image, right? This is where you upload an image. You can actually check gallery too if there's an image that it fits your own, but if not, just come here, maybe upload the image of the cake that you have designed about the course. Okay, so that is very, very important. So let's say that this is the image, right? Because that's the image that people are going to see. All right, so just click on set featured image. So when you are done with this course, this image will show here. All right, I guess my network is a little bit slow, that's why, but it's fine. So here is what you now do. Your course will not be submitted for review until you check submit for review. So you have to check the submit for review. Okay, so when you are done, you just click on submit for review. So that is how to create your course. So when your course is published, we will check it, and if this course is okay, let me click on preview. If this course is fine, right, then GoGlobal Solutions will publish your course. Okay, so because it has not been published, that is why it's showing like this. That is why it's not yet showing. So it's not yet showing. So what I will do now is to log in. All right, I will just quickly pause this video right now and then approve that course, and then you see the way it will look like. All right. So you welcome back. So the course has actually been approved. So you can just go back to your courses, and then you click. You might see something like this, that Shola Matthew is currently editing course creation, or whosoever is editing. It doesn't matter. Your course is already being approved. So, and you can see that the author of the course is actually the Value King. So what you want to do is, see this name here, Value King. You don't want your name to be appearing like that. You want to make your name to be proper, right? So let's go and view this course firstly. So I'll just click here, and then I'll come. You can see academy.goglobal.ng/course cake creation class. Okay, so it's loading. So as you can see, this is the picture that I said. So make sure that you use the picture of your product. All right, and then here is the overview. Right, so this is where you write the detailed information of your course, just that place where we put the other time. And then here, this is the first one that we added. So you can see here there's no item under this section. As you can see, no item under this section, but this section, the one that we added, is already there. Then this is the course instructor, the Value King. Like I said, you want to change that. So you go to my profile, or either one. You can edit my profile from this place. So make sure that, if possible, add your picture, add other necessary information that you should have there. So this is where you change your profile picture. So you come here, so you choose your profile picture. So what you want to do is, you can either take a photo, right, using a camera, okay, using the camera of your laptop, or you just so can either use this or you just come here, upload a picture. So if you click here, you can select from the file, right? You can just simply upload the photo you want to upload, and then it will be there. All right. Say here too, you can change your cover picture. The cover picture is basically the one that is going to be here. Many people are not going to see is you that will really see that one. So you change your photo, right? Then let me see other settings that you might need to change. All right, let's see. So if you want, if there is a gravity association with your account, we will use that. All right, but if you want, please go and create a gravatar. It's very, very important. So you can just click on that link. You'll see information about gravatar there. So let's see other settings that you might want to check. Let's see all the settings. So this settings is basically for if you want to change your password. Otherwise, just leave it like that. Okay. So next thing is, let's see this profile here too. This next profile. You know, the other time we went here, right? But here we want to see this profile. So this is a profile that okay. They said sorry, we can't find this page. Okay. Let me see this value king profile. So let's go to value king profile. So it's actually the same, right? So this is where this is your display name. Okay, this is your display name, and let me click on edit to see if I'll be able to change that display name so that you can have other name, like maybe your name is Bola, your name is Shola. You know, you can actually change that. So come here and you change it to let's say value king now. So you see it's now value king properly. So you just click on save. Okay, so it will be seen by everyone. All right, so you can see value king. So even if you take a course, this is the name that will not appear on your certificate because you've already changed it. So it's very, very important that you work on that, please. All right, so thank you very much. That is how to create your course on GoGlobal Academy. All right, so if you click on here, if you click on all courses that you've gotten, all right, just click on that. You will see some of the courses that you've taken. All right, so this is your own course, right? And this is purchase course. So for now, like I said, I only purchased one course there. Okay, so that is basically how to create your own um, your your own online course with GoGlobal Academy. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below, and I'm going to do well to answer you in no time. Thank you and have a great time.